At the heart of every building is the framework that holds it all up. It's an important structure that is often built off-site in factories like Gary Raven Pre-Cut Limited. Gary owns and operates the business, building commercial and housing frames and trusses around the North Island.
Well, builders can make good frames on site, but in a factory situation, they're more efficient to make.
Well, basically, bro, this is a computerised saw. We cut pretty much everything to do with the house. At the moment, we're cutting trusses, which creates an angle on top of the house.
Computerised saw cuts the labour content down, possibly up to 40% from manually cutting.
Once Luke selects the truss to be cut and the computer adjusts the length on the stop and the angle of the saw head, it's Luke's job to ensure that the timber is butted up hard against the stop to ensure the length and angle of the cut are accurate. Luke is off to the next part of the process with foreman Ian Smith.
Over here what we're doing is we're marking all of the top and bottom plates for the wall framing. This is the picture of the wall framing over here. What we're going to do is we're going to locate all of the studs. I'll show you how you do it, eh?
Yep. The two pieces of timber form the top and bottom of the frame. They have been stapled together to make marking easier. It's very important that Luke has got those marks in the right place because he's now taking the whole house worth over to Neville to get assembled.
We'll start with panel 22, thank you very much. If you could get it and put it up here, thank you.
Pre-nail table is a table that assembles the frames. Because it's got 4 guns, speeds up the process over the manual nailing.
Everything has to be flush, and particular care must be taken to ensure the natural bows in the timber face inwards so that they are stretched out as they are nailed to the frame so they can create a stronger structure.
Bottom nail first, aiming slightly up. Hand well away, slightly down. Take the weight of it a little bit, give it a little jiggle, and down she goes.
Now that he knows the basics, Luke heads off to see AJ, who creates the plans that this whole process is based on.
Basically, we'll get sent in a set of plans, input the house into the program. It'll start designing roof trusses, wall framing, and from that we can pull quantities of timber, hardware, plates and such, and price up.
Yep. If you didn't get the right loading for girders and it was incorrectly sized, then the roof would sag. I've had a lot of guys that have come through here, done there for 3 or 4 or 5 years and wanted to get out on site. We even had guys that come back to me because they don't like the wet weather out there.
Nail plates are then compressed into the joins to create a strong connection. The house is complete and ready to be trucked off.
But I really like this job. I like a lot of it. It's the problem solving for me is the favourite bit, i.e. working out something that hasn't been worked out in the plan, and getting out on site and seeing some nightmare of a headache that you had 2 weeks ago, all finished and looking awesome.
For more information on this program, visit our website at www.justajob.co.nz. The link is in the video description below. And don't forget to subscribe as we have more new videos coming out every week.